Myself, Om Prakash Koryali, yoga teacher in Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Culture Cooperation, a culture wing of High Commission of India at Trinidad and Tobago. Today's I'm going to make a video for yoga for medical care sector, or healthcare sector, or medical people, those who work in their pharmaceutical companies, or hospitals, etc. etc. In this video, I'll try to give few asanas, few loosening exercise and few breathing techniques through which you can energize yourself, you can refresh yourself, and you can bring the peace and harmony inside you at your spot wherever you are working on the time. And this video will be not more than 10 to 15 minutes, not than 10 to minute 15, not more than 15 minutes. But aim of this video is to giving you calmness, freshness, refreshness, and peace and harmony in your life. So in this video, as we know, either medical sector, either corporate sector, or either any sector, whenever we go to the work, we have to improve our concentration power with happily, with peacefully. So yoga has its main important role, because through yogic practices you can bring the balance in your physical body and mental body, and as well as intellectual body too. So in this video we'll do few breathing techniques, like a first Bhastrika Pranayama, then Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, which is also known as Anulom Vilom Pranayama, then Bhramari Pranayama, and then we'll do a little bit loosening exercise in standing postures through which we can mobilize your each and every joints, which is, we say that in yogic practices. And then we'll do few asanas which will definitely give you freshness, peace and harmony and healing in your body. So as I told, we will do first breathing techniques, few breathing techniques. First is Bhastrika Pranayama. You have to do in your workplace, whenever you have the free time, is just mentally prepare yourself for the 10 minutes or 20 minutes. If you have much time, you can extend any practice to the as per your time schedule. But if you have less time, try to minimize each and every practices. Don't think that this practice you have to do 5 rounds or 10 rounds. According to your time schedule, just minimize it and maximize it. Right? First we'll do Bhastrika Pranayama. So what you have to do, you have to make a loose twist side of the chest. Breathe in, stretch your body, hands up, spread the finger up, and breathe out, come back. Make sure your breath is flowing forcefully, exhalation, forcefully, inhalation, forcefully breathe out, forcefully breathe in. That is the main intention of this practice. Right? Make a loose side of the chest. We'll do 10 rounds, but you can do 20 rounds, right, as per your time. So we'll do 10 rounds first. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And relax. After 10 rounds, 20 rounds, take your time to relax yourself, normalize your breath. After that, now we'll do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. This is very important practice, because this practice is going to bring the calmness in your mind, bring to the balance your right nostril, left nostril, parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system equally. Right? This practice is very good for the all kind of the things. So Adapta Nasika Mudra from right hand. If you are not able to hold this posture, just you can use your right thumb and first finger of the right hand like this, right? But I am habitual of this one and try to do this one, because there is also scientific reason behind this adopting this practice. I'll explain these things in next practice, in the next video. So now we'll do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama quickly. Adapta Nasika Mudra, close right nostril. Breathe out from left nostril completely. Breathe in from left nostril. Breathe out from right nostril. Breathe in from right nostril. Breathe out from left nostril. So this is complete one round. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So complete one round. You can do this practice 3 round, 5 round, 7 round, 10 round. As much as you're going to do this practice, you are going to heal your body. You are going to bring the balance inside your body. Right? So this practice, so we'll do 3 round here. Close the right nostril, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. Stop the practice and relax. This practice you can do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but your breath is supposed to be very slow and deeper. As much as slow your breath, as much as deeper your breath is, that means you are going to heal your body. So now the next practice, Bhramari Pranayama, which is also known as humming bee sound. What you have to do, you have to chant Makara sound, or you can say honeybee sound. You have to fold the tongue, touch it upper palate of the mouth, and close your mouth and close your eyes. And while exhaling, chant honeybee sound, Makara sound. Not higher pitch, not lower pitch, middle pitch of the sound. And you have to feel the vibration in your facial muscles and hand region. So we'll do together. 3 rounds we'll do in this video. But if you want to increase the practices, you pause the video and do 5 round, 9 round, 10 round, 11 round. It's on you, because this practice also is going to heal your body. All the every practice is going to heal your body, not only this, all. So we'll do 3 round. Hold the tongue, touch it upper palate of the mouth, close your eyes, breathe in. Second round, breathe in. Third round, breathe in. Relax. Feel the vibration inside you. And after that, slowly join your body palms, rub your palms, make a cup shape of the palm, keep it in your eyes. Once again, release and drop. And give a tiny massage in the facial muscles, the neck muscles, then all over the body, and a few blinks over your eyes. So after these 3 practices, actually there is 4, but due to time shortage, I did 3 practices, which is very, very important for each and every person, especially those who are in healthcare sector. So by doing these 3 practices, you are going to solve your 80% of the problems like anxiety, stress, letharginess, fatigue, tiredness, so many things. So now we'll move to the little bit exercise. So that you can stand in front of you wherever you are working on the spot, working place. Stand in Kshetra Tadasana, legs apart, hands hanging free. So what you have to do, first we'll do hip rotation. Place your both the palms in your waist and start 3 rounds clockwise. And 3 rounds anti-clockwise, reverse, opposite direction. And slowly stop the practice and relax. So So you can increase this practice 5 rounds also, it's on you. Now the next practice, join the legs together. Place your both the palm in front of you. Inhale, raise your both the hands up. Lift your heels up. Focus in front of you. Exhale down. 3 rounds you have to do. Make sure your toes together, heels together. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, up, up. Stretch up and hold the posture with normal breath. Exhale down and relax. Now apart the leg around 1 meter. Now we'll do triangle pose, Trikonasana. Right? Slightly apart the leg. Turn your right leg right side. Stretch about the inside of the body. Now exhale slowly, bend right side. If you reach here, just hold this posture here only. If you can go ahead, but no overstretch. Just try to reach here. Reach to the toes and look up. Inhale, slowly come up. Bring your right foot front. Now change the side. Left side. Inhale, come up. And drop down a hand. Bring your both the legs closer and relax. You can do 2 times right side, 2 times left side. It's on you as per your time schedule. I'm going to do this practice very quickly because I know the value of the time in your workplace on the spot. So now the next practice, combination of Ardha Chakrasana and Padahastasana. This practice is definitely going to freshness means going to heal your body. So what you have to do, you have to place your both the palms on your waist. Before going to that, if you have loose dresses, very good. If you don't have, if you are wearing the pants shirt, no problem. Just loose your belt, loose your tie, and open your shirt buttons. So place your both the palms on your waist, slightly apart the feet. Inhale, slowly bend your body back as much as you can. And with the exhalation, slowly bend forward. Release your hand. Just hang your body. If you can go ahead, touch the ground. Otherwise, you can hold your head also. But day by day, practice, you can reach the ground. Inhale, come up and back. Eyes open. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come center and relax. So you complete 3 rounds. What you can do, you can pause the video, you can do 5 rounds. Right? After this practice, the relax in Sithila Tadasana, these postures. Now the next practice, Ardha Gati Chakrasana. So join your legs together. Stretch your both the hands side of the body. Now with inhalation, raise the right hand up, sideway of the body. Turn up the palm, shoulder level, stretch up, completely up. And then slowly bend left side and hold the posture with normal breath. Inhale, come up. Stretch up and exhale, slowly come back. Change the side from left side, same way. Shoulder level, turn your palm up. Continue inhalation and stretch up. And exhale, bend right side. Hold the posture as much as you can. Normal breath at the holding posture. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down and relax. Now we'll do 2 more practices. Two more practices. One is cutting, twisting, and another one is chair pose. So slightly apart the feet. Stretch your body hand in front of you. Inhale center, exhale twist your body right side. Bend the left elbow and touch your right shoulder like this. Right? Inhale center, exhale bend the right elbow, touch your left shoulder. Through your right palm. Inhale center. But this practice we have to do with breathe in, breathe out, coordinated breathe like this. and relax. After 10-10 round, just relax, but you can do 20-20 as per your time schedule. Now last practice we'll do chair pose. So what you have to do, again slightly at left, feet. Now stretch your body hand in front of you, palm facing downward. Now with exhalation, slowly bend your knee, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down and hold the posture. Whenever you go to the last posture, just hold 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it's on you. And slowly come up and relax. I'm not going to say any benefit of this practice because you know very well, and you can check anywhere throughout the world, Google or books, what are the benefit of the all the practice, whatever I give you. But as per my knowledge, as per my understanding, these all practices are definitely going to heal you on your spot. These practices are going to refresh you, freshness, take out from the tension, anxiety, and tightness like that, all these problems. So after completing this practice, you can sit on a chair. So during this all practice, you don't need to yoga mat also, you can do on a chair. And this practice, there is no limitation. Means generally we have the limitation like that, you have to keep your empty stomach if you can, okay, otherwise just go ahead, no problem, right? In this practice, you don't need to be wear only loose dress. If you can, most welcome. If you can't, no problem, just be on the spot, on the whatever you are wearing. Third thing is that these practices are very easy. Fourth thing is that you don't need to go anywhere, you have to do only your in front of the computer or wherever your working place, right? Yes. So finally we are going to stop this practice. I wish you will enjoy these practices to doing by the doing in day-to-day your life on your spot. I wish good luck, be healthy, be happy. Thank you very much. Namaste.